Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Miss the Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading ngayong March 24 to 30, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so Capricorn, let's see ano yung ganap sa inyo this week. Overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessing, energy ng money, career, finances, energy ng love life and family, bottom of the deck, Queen of Pentacles. So this is your energy, Capricorn. You are stabilizing your finances. Nandun ka na sa point na nag-mature ka na at naiintindihan mo na kung ano yung kailangan mong ayusin, i-work out sa iyong financial habits. Maari ring parang ngayon focus mo yung pagsisecure ng future mo. You also have the Hermit. Yan. The Hermit is about your wisdom, your knowledge. Maaring nandun ka na sa point na ayaw mo nang magpa-apekto sa opinion ng iba pagdating sa choices mo sa buhay. You also have the Page of Wands. So this is about adventure. Ooh, Ace of Pentacles. So parang meron kang exciting na ipupursue sa trabaho, sa career, sa business. Some of you, kayo ay kailangan pang mag-travel para pumunta doon sa lugar na yon to check on materials or para mag-training. Kasi parang piniprepare mo yung sarili mo for a new endeavor or a new business or a new career. Ganon. Wow. Queen of Swords, Three of Wands. Alam mo yung priorities mo ngayon, Capricorn. And yung priority mo ngayon is to expand, to multiply your resources. Overall energy, the Emperor. Ayan. Ikaw ay merong full control of your destiny, of your actions. You are someone na disiplinado, no? Kumbaga may plano ka, may blueprint ka, no? So maaring meron kang sinusunod na proseso para ma-achieve mo yung goal mo. At pag ganyan kailangan talaga ng disiplina, 'di ba? Para sundin mo yung blueprint. And then your challenge is judgment. So maaring merong kailangan magbago or nagbabago sa priorities mo or sa journey na gusto mong tahakin, pero parang yung iba sa inyo is dinidismiss yon na parang teka, hindi pa ako ready or in denial pa kayo na ito na yung time na kailangan mo nang sumubok ng iba na opportunity. Kasi this is about rebirth and reinventing yourself. So, nasa challenge mo siya. Maaring meron kang gustong subukan, pero nag-hold back ka na, baka hindi pa to para sa akin, ganon. So, subukan mo. Subukan mo na. Oo. Your opportunity is the Queen of Cups. This is about your instinct, your intuition. So, I think, mas magiging malakas ang iyong pakiramdam, mas magiging sensitive ka sa paligid mo. This is about going with the flow baga susundin mo kung saan ka dinadala ng landas na tinatahak mo. But at the same time, meron ka ring awareness doon sa pagbabago na yan. Kasi I see a major change in your life. Like yung path, yung landas na tinatahak mo. And then your blessing is the Three of Cups, which is about celebration. So meron kang isa-celebrate. Maaring merong small wins. Let's say, na-promote ka o kaya na-achieve mo yung goal mo para sa sarili mo, personal goals. 'Diba? So, yung iba, maaring meron din kayong mga new friends, new connections, that will help you grow your career, your finances, and also mga pwedeng mga bagong connections na natutulong sa'yo or magbubukas sa'yo ng mga bagong opportunities. Sa money, career, finances, you have the Two of Pentacles. So this is about balance, no? Juggling. Pwedeng iba sa inyo kayo ay merong multiple streams of income. Hindi lang isa ang pinagkukunan nyo ng income. Pwedeng may trabaho kayo, meron kayong side hustle, meron kayong business, or other income generating activities. So, you're going to be very busy. And then, your love life, you have the Seven of Pentacles. Meron dito naghihintay sa'yo. Naghihintay ng action mo. Or, yung parang kasi ang Pentacle is like the realistic side of taking action. No? Yung parang, hindi lang sinasabi, ginagawa talaga. So, maaring you are connecting with someone na hinihintay mo na makita yung effort niya. You may be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yung iba sa inyo, kayo? Malungkot. Some of you kasi parang you are isolating yourself or umiiwas kayo sa ibang tao. Maybe because hindi kayo nagkaroon ng magandang experience sa kanila. But you will meet new friends, new connections na tutulong sa'yo to heal. At yung iba sa inyo, you will be part of a community na malilibang kayo. Pwede tong mga volunteering activities or charitable work. Solar calm, clarify. So things are going to be clear for you now kung ano yung mga gusto mo na i-pursue or ano yung talagang pinapakita sa'yo na mas magiging favorable or pabor sa'yo yung resulta. And it's time for action, Aries energy, and ito na, it's Aries season na, 'di ba? So, this is a new beginning for you, like a new chapter, a new era na nag-o-open para sa inyo. So, be open to that. Kasi yung iba, natatakot sa pagbabago. Digital detox. Some of you, marami kayong nagiging time sa social media. Parang nagiging distraction siya sa inyo para sa mga goals ninyo na ma-achieve nyo. So, maaring babawas-bawasan nyo yung inyong screen time. You also have shadow work. There are no shadows without light. So, yeah, I think this is part of the clarity, no, kaliwanagan sa inyong sarili. Parang nagiging aware ka na kung ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mo nang i-let go, tigilan, no, at kung ano yung dapat mong i-pursue para maging successful ka sa mga goals mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.